Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, collective. So, this is just a short video. Okay, kasi hindi po maganda ang aking pakiramdam. Oo, ako'y na vertigo. Oo. So, ang tawag dito. So, maikli lang na video. Okay. General reading and the person on your mind. And then, tsaka tayo bawi pag medyo okay na ako. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And, follow our FB page. So, yun po, ha? Okay. Let's see. In general, what's for you, collective? So, wala pong zodiac sign na kailangan. Okay? Sa mga manonood ng collectives. Okay. Requirement ko lang is dapat naka-follow ka or naka-subscribe. Okay? Para sa next video ng collectives is kasali ka na. Okay. So, what's for our collectives in general? The 3 of coins in reversed. The 2 of wands in reverse. Mayroon pong mga masusolusyonan pagdating sa mga issue sa trabaho or sa kung saan po man para kayong ang tawag dito kumikita. Okay? May mga solusyon na darating. So, chariot in reversed. Iwasan po munang mag-aalis ngayon. Okay? Nakikita ko dito stranded, traffic, mga ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung hindi naman po importante, wag nang umalis, wag nang lumabas. So, chariot in reversed. 7 of cups in reverse. Okay, so, meron ditong specific message na your ex still missing you, still hindi pa rin po totally nakaka-move on. Could be a Cancerian or a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? So, reschedules, yan ang mga nakikita ko dito. What else? 6 of wands and the 5 of cups in reversed. Somebody is stalking you, nasa ilalim. Hindi ko alam kung ito ay energy ng tawag dyan, may paggaya. Meron ako nakikitang may gumagaya sa'yo. Okay? Yung ibang nag-i-stalk sa'yo, tinatry ka nilang gayahin, kopyahin, kung ano man. I don't know why. Maybe they see you somebody na pwedeng may K, parang ganyan, or nandun lang yung energy na parang andun yung head turner ka, or mga ganun bagay. So, sensya na po sa aking reading ngayon dahil medyo limitado. I'm hearing victory and success. Okay, the 10 of swords, na kailangan lang talagang dumaan muna sa struggles. Some of you, if you're facing, sabihin natin conflict sa ngayon or drama, problem whatsoever, universe trying to say na parang parang inihahanda ka lang sa kung ano man na parang mas magandang mangyayari sa'yo. Okay, like leveling, parang ganyan, tawag doon? Magle-level up. Okay, so pasensya na po medyo hindi talaga maganda yung aking pakiramdam, pero yes, hanggat maaari tayo ay magbibigay, kasi kahapon isang araw wala, no? So tayo ay magtungo na sa the person on your mind, the person on collective's mind. So sino to? Okay, this is for the month of sabihin nating paumpisa ng October. Okay, collectives. So Sa umpisa ng October. Who is this person? The Eight of Wands universe. Pwedeng merong blockages na nangyari or blocking sa messages. Yeah, pwedeng no contact kayo ngayon, hindi kayo magkausap. The King of Swords universe. Some of you, you're trying to avoid conversation with this person because hindi mo na siya kayang pagkatiwalaan. Okay? Some of them, specifically, yung ugali or kung anong meron sa taong to is andun yung sinungaling. Okay? Andun rin yung energy na parang madalas siyang yun nga, nagsisinungaling kasi meron siyang takot kung ano man, I don't know. Okay? Some of them, they're player. The Knight of Wands is here. Yeah, the Page of Wands universe. Ito yung taong madalas merong itinuturo sa'yo kahit alam mo sa kanya naman talaga yung problem, sa'yo niya isinisisi. Some of them, they're narcissistic person. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya ngayon, collectives? They have options. The Seven of Cups. Queen of Swords. Yeah, they have options. So, sa ngayon po, kung ito ay talagang tinatalikuran nyo dahil kailangan at naging matapang kayo sa pagtalikod nito, hindi pa rin po ito nagkakaroon ng pagbabago. Meron pa rin siyang mga option, kung ano man. Okay? So, yeah, the Tower. So, hindi niya, parang hinahayaan na lang din po ng person, okay, na talagang matupok na lang yung sitwasyon ninyo. Like the Tower. Okay? Like, yeah, hinahayaan lang masunog, magiba, mga ganyang bagay. So, ikaw, kung talagang inalisan mo to dahil alam mo ito yung tama, you're doing the right way. You're doing the right thing. Okay? You're on the right path. So, let's see what is their emotion for you. Current emotion. Okay, the Ten of Cups universe. They're not happy. Hindi rin siya kontento sa kung anong meron sa kanya ngayon. Okay, hindi mo to kasalanan. Yeah. Ten of Cups universe. The Moon universe. Yeah. Sa ngayon, emotion niya pagdating sa'yo is like, tawag dito, they're longing. Okay, craving, aching, sad pagdating sa ginawa nila. So maybe may mga nare-realize itong taong to. Okay, they see you somebody talaga na parang you're moving forward without them. Parang ganyan. You're doing good or maybe doing fine without them. So, yun yung maybe point of view ng person sa ngayon. You're not, open. Okay? So, may chance na meron talagang iba dito sa ngayon. And, kung sino man po yung kasama niya, kung meron man, sa alam nyo na may iba, sabihin natin hindi siya kontento sa ngayon. Okay, hindi siya nakokontento sa kung anong meron sila sa ngayon. Lagi namang ganun Okay, lagi namang ganun. Kapag pinakitaan mo to, yung mga ganitong klaseng tao ng katapangan, doon sila parang makakaramdam ng takot. Okay, lalo na kung nasanay siya na lagi kang takot sa kanya. Anyway, their next action this October, the Lovers. Okay, they will try na makipag-reconnect sa'yo. Are you open? Are you ready for that? So, they will try. See, the Five of Wands. They will get your attention. They will again pursue you. Mga ganyang bagay. Are you ready? So, what's the advice for you? Advice ang kunin natin, hindi outcome. Advice, kung ito po ay sakaling makipagbalikan sa'yo, collectives, anong advice for our collectives? Sa mga nagtatanong po ng ating mga charms, o yung ating cord cutting, yung para sa love and money, kay granter, yung taga-grant ng minamanifest, message na lang po, okay? So, and yung pang-cleanse natin, So, anong advice for our collectives? The Two of Swords in reverse. Lahat ng decision mo. Okay? So, decision mo to. So, kung ano man ang maging decision mo, it's up to you. Okay? Kung paano mo i-handle. Yeah. The Chariot. The Wheel of Fortune. So, ginagabayan ka rito at sinasabi na ito ay hindi pa rin totally nagbabago. Okay, wala pang pagbabago dito sa pagbabalik nito. Gusto lang nitong taong to na talagang makuha yung attention mo because pwedeng yun nga, dahilan kaya natatakot to is pwedeng inalisan mo ng attention nitong taong to and doon siya nag-worry. Okay, so advice for you, it's up to you. Nakukuha ko dito 50-50 sa totoo lang. Yeah, 50-50. Merong iba sa inyo hindi nyo na pababalikin. Yung iba sa inyo pababalikan nyo pa. Decision nyo to. Hindi ako yung magdedesisyon. Advice is gumawa ka ng magandang desisyon pagdating sa sarili mo. Responsibilidad mo ngayon yung sarili mo, collectives. Okay? So kung tingin mo yun dapat at kung anong tama. Pero ang ina-advise dito, again, at gabay para sa'yo, is hindi pa rin nagbabago yung sitwasyon na meron kayo and yung person. Okay? So, sana nakatulong sa'yo yung clue. It's up to you. Hindi ko para sabihin ay, wag mo nang balikan to. Decision mo pa rin to. Okay? The Empress in Reverse and the Ace of Cups. This is self-love, actually. Okay? So, tayo tumungo sa all signs for you collective. So ito lang po muna siguro yung aking video sa ngayon. And then yeah, pag medyo okay na talaga ako, nagawa na tayo ng maraming video. Yes. Oo. So sa mga diba may bagyo pa. May bagyo pa. Be safe everyone. Okay. Let's see. All signs Aries through Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing with and dealt with. Aries, they need you. Feeling the coldness, the detachments, the distance. Taurus, they're bitter. Gemini, they're manifesting you. Some of them, they're evil eyeing you. Cancer, they're not healed. Feeling hopeless. Bagating lalo sa communication. So Leo, they want to apologize. It's too late to apologize. Is it too late? So Virgo, diba? Nakakapag-joke pa. Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Virgo, you're too hot and cold. Hot and cold. Libra, ayaw na ng I think universe is advising or sinasabi na parang hindi ka na dapat makipag-connect with a Libra. They're not for you, I think. Scorpio, they want stable connection with you. They want progress. They want longevity pagdating sa connection. Pero feeling hopeless si Scorpio. Sagittarius, you're there. Unfulfilled wish. Okay? So, we have here codependency rin. So, Capricorn, they want your attention. There's jealousy. So, Aquarius, no chance ng start. Parang ganyan. A pause or maybe a delay. Okay? So, Pisces, they want to communicate. They want, andun yung energy na parang positive lang yung mindset ni Pisces pagdating sa'yo. Okay, even though, yeah, merong mga hindi alam kung anong mangyayari, whatsoever. Yeah, okay, positive lang. Alam niya ang gagawin niya. Hindi siya para matakot, even though may mga sitwasyong hopeless. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, collective. So again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. And yun pong ating, diba, nabubulol ako. Yun pong ating, ang tawag dito, second YouTube channel na Love Letter. So again, thank you. Goodbye. Be safe, everyone.